Hey everyone, and welcome to Verizon Fios router installation guide. Firstly guys, to set up, you need to of course unbox and prepare all the equipment. So locate the Verizon Fios router and ensure all necessary components are present. So it's going to be router, power cable, Ethernet cable, and coaxial cable. Last two. Ensure you have a stable power outlet and access to the main Verizon Fios connection point in your home. Identify the connection type. There's going to be either a coaxial cable, used if your internet connection is delivered via coax, either Ethernet cable, used if your services use a ONT, optical network terminal. Determine which connection applies to your setup. Right, after that, for the Ethernet, plug one end of your Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port of your ONT. Connect the other to the router. For coaxial, attach the coaxial cable to the router's coaxial port. Securely screw it into the wall outlet coaxial port. After that, just power it on. You need to basically plug it into a wall outlet and press the power button. After that, give a router a bit of time to initialize. The router's indicators, lights will begin flashing. After that, just locate the Wi-Fi SSID and password printed on a sticker on the router. After that, on your device, open the Wi-Fi settings and select the SSID. Enter the password and connect. Use the device to check if the connection is working. If not, try rebooting the router or double checking the connections. Also guys, a few tips. Place the router in a central location for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it near walls, metal objects or other electronics that can interfere with the signal. And you should be all set. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.